In 1980, the foundation of Mujahid Hospital was laid in Mujahid Health Club under Mujahid Welfare Council. The perspective of this health club was embedded with health and well-being. In 1981, a free dispensary and then Mujahid Welfare Council came into being along with Health Club. A dispensary with few beds was initiated under the banner of Mujahid Hospital in 1983. The need of place, increment of staff and suffocating infrastructure, bringing the need of more land. To fill this gap, the land of 4 canal were allotted for hospital after the great efforts of Mia Muhammad Tufail Ahmad Zia, Haji Muhammad Ibrahim, Liaquat Baloch, Hafiz Muhammad Sarwar and Malik Muhammad Deen, and officially the building of Mujahid Hospital was constructed. Mujahid Hospital is certified and authorized from Health Department, Punjab Health Care Commission, who is officially registered from Social Welfare. A social welfare organization is working in disciplined manner on modern medical lines under Mujahid Welfare Council. Mujahid Welfare Council is working according to Constitution and consists on 50 board members and 7 selected executive members. After 2 years, 7 members are being selected as executive members from board members, and these executives choose president, vice president, general secretary, and finance secretary with mutual consent. The law, discipline, and progress of hospital is maintained under the guidance and authority of these designated people. Currently, there are 30 departments are efficiently working in Mujahid Hospital. These are medicine, surgery, gynecology, pediatric, ped surgery, psychiatric, psychology, medical oncology, ENT, pulmonology, general laparoscopic surgery, urology, ophthalmology, psychotherapy, nursery pain management, dermatology, cardiology, plastic surgery, dietitian and nutrition, neurology, neurosurgery, anesthesia, laboratories, nephrology, dental surgery, ultrasound, radiology, CT scan, digital X-ray, cancer and child oncology. For all these departments, 55 high qualified and expert consultants are relieving the humanity through their checkups and operating services. In hospital, there are best opportunities for standardized treatment and facilities due to expert doctors and qualified staff in medical specialists, urologist, gynae, orthopedic, skin, dental, physiotherapist, dietitian and nutrition, cardiologist, plastic surgery, psychiatry, ultrasound, X-ray, multi-slice CT scan, pathologist, clinical laboratory, and blood bank. Mujahid Hospital believes to provide the gentle and best services for the attendants and the patients. For this purpose, hospital has wide executive rooms, private cabins, and wards are designed by keeping view the medical and construction rules. Indoor departments has centralized heat and cool system along with disinfectant cleaning machines for advanced healthcare. The hospital staff always remain in service for the patients to make sure the services and comfort has delivered to them. By spending millions of rupees, state-of-the-art 4 operation theaters has been constructed which has latest medical equipments. It has latest infection control system, epoxy coating floor, centralized air conditioning system, RO plant and recovery room. For newborn babies, Mujahid Hospital has a baby nursery which is equipped with latest ventilators, incubators, warmer, cardiac monitor, oxygen monitor, central oxygen supply, and medical air conditioning. Qualified medical professor, doctors and nurses are attending the admitted babies through paramedication and personal care. By keeping in view the need and importance of qualified medical personnel, Mujahid Hospital is also running a paramedical institute approved from Punjab Medical Faculty. Clinical laboratory of Mujahid Hospital has latest equipment and machinery imported from Germany, USA and other developed countries with standard chemicals and reagents and under observation of pathologists and technologists. Lab test of hematology, biochemistry, special chemistry, serology, clinical pathology, blood banking, and all kinds of microbiology and PCR tests are being conducted. Mujahid Hospital has 24-hour emergency service. Medical officers are performing their duties by 24 hours and provide best treatment at arrival of patients. Under the umbrella of Mujahid Welfare Council, Mujahid Hospital is on the panel of dozens of official and non-official institutions and is the first priority of everyone in regards to medical checkups and other medical operations due to its latest facilities, poised atmosphere, and medical performance. For poor and needy, Mujahid Hospital has not only the minimum charges but also providing free medical facilities for deserving patients. Apart from these, free medical camps are also arranged for different diseases in which free treatment and operations is conducted for poor and needy people, which include blood pressure camp, sugar camp, epilepsy camp, psychiatry camp, international urology camp, eye camp, orthopedic camp, international general surgery camp, mobile medical camp, and plastic surgery camp to serve best of humanity and patients. Mujahid Hospital is registered on the panels of more than 45 corporates like insurance companies, institutions, and organizations. Mujahid Hospital Phase 3 has started construction of 13th-floor building. In Phase 3, facilities of maternal and child health care, dialysis center, high dependency unit, and ICU will be assured. Mega project of 400 million is progressively continue to complete with the help of God-fearing and kind-hearted people. Mujahid Hospital under the surveillance of Mujahid Welfare Council is providing indistinctive facilities and medical aid to poor and needy people irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Hadith: the best among you is who is better for others, assisting depressed, sick, and distressed people and make them relieve from their pain. This will not only acquire regards of these people but pave way to get Allah's apostles' mercy and blessings. It is stated in Surah Al-Ma'idah, verse 22, "Whoever save a life, as he saves the whole humanity." One can build or participate in constructing any floor, room, or ward and dedicate it to their dear ones who passed away. It would be a source of happiness for them. Donations given to Mujahid Hospital will be relinquished from income tax. Mujahid Hospital's account is in Bank Al Habib Susa Road. Account number is 0063 0081 000 513 010.